Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the process of registration in the Survey of India portal. The Survey of India is an integral part of Ministry of Science and Technology. In this website you can download variety of Shapefile and Geo-database like village boundary, block boundary, district boundary, even the state boundary also. You can also download freely the 1:50,000 Toposheet from here. Before that, the registration process of Survey of India is quite simple, but now it is very difficult. Let's start for the registration. First of all, you have to go to the browser, search as Survey of India. So this is the website surveyofindia.gov.in. Open the website. Now go to the map service, go to the online maps portal, free and or purchase. Now hit the sign in button. Now click on register here. Now you can see the step for user registration. So this is a process of registration for individuals or private entity employees, and this is the process of registration for government employees. First, you have to sign up by using email ID of the individual with a mobile number and the OTP generations. After that, you have to sign in using your user ID like this, and fill in the profile details and upload an ID card in PDF format and a self-declaration certificate in PDF. Then preview and submit the profile details. Then profile verification, like download the auto-generated form and print it. After signing at appropriate locations on the printout, scan and upload it on the pending profile page. After successful uploading the PDF, submit the profile for final approval from the Survey of India. Then profile activation, like after verification of details and the document, the user profile will be activated. User will receive an intimation of the profile activation via mobile and email. So click on the proceed button. Now you can see the name of the user. Name must match the ID card, then mobile number, then captcha. Then you have to verify your mobile number and email ID. Then you have to complete the registration. I already have registered by a mobile number, so I just click on the sign in button. Then you have to put your mobile number and the password, captcha here. Click on the sign in button, enter the OTP and also the captcha. Click on the verify OTP. You have to complete this: the user profile, the organization details, upload document, preview user details, organization or HOD verify, and the last, the registration complete. To write down your username, the email ID was pre-filled and the mobile number also. You have to write down your designation, then user type, then the user profile type like student or researcher or etc. Then you have to write down your address, the city, state, the district name and the pin code. Then click on the next and submit button. After that, you have to select your organization type, then the industry, then the organization name, then organization phone number and organization email ID and their website, as well as their address, city, district name, state and pin code also. They want these types of information for the verification from the organizations. So you have to fill all the information correctly. After filling all the information, you have to press the next and submit button. Thereafter, you can see in the upload document, so what are the uses or purpose of the data. You can write it as for research purpose or for your PhD work or for your master's or project work, etc. Then you have to select the ID card type just like you can select that is a voter ID or etc. Then selected ID card number. Now if you select the other here, then you have to write it down the other number. You have to upload that Aadhaar card as a PDF format within the size of 500 KB. Then you have to go to the upload self-declaration certificate generated from this website, that is https geospatial.dst.gov.in. So write it down as a geospatial.dst.gov.in. Click on the continue to the site. Then scroll down and click on the sign in or new certificate. Then you have to enter your mobile number or email ID and the captcha. Then click on get OTP button. So enter the OTP and the captcha. Click on verify and proceed. So I already have created this account, that's why it give me the details and the download the certificate. You have to fill up your name, mobile number, etc, and why you want to download the data from the Geospatial portal. So after that you can get this kinds of thing. Then click the download certificate button. Your certificate looks like this. You can see your name, then address, then identity type. You have to put the Aadhaar card number, then email ID, and the other details like you are Indian or foreigner, then category like private sector, then your ID card number, then other details like your official name, then identification type, other like a voter card ID, then voter card number, your designation, email ID, mobile number, and then what are the purpose and the activities, okay, you are want to do from this geospatial data portal, like acquisitions, geospatial data processing, geospatial data product and solution development, geospatial data disseminations, etc. Then these are the terms and conditions. Okay, so you can get these kinds of certificate from that geospatial portal. The certificate you get from that geospatial portal you have to upload on here. Then you have to click on the next and submit button. After you submit your data, you can preview the details you entered. Then you have to check the information submitted in this application is true to the best of my knowledge, and you have to download the registration copy. So it's look like this. So you can see your application number, the date, registration, and the application for approving the individuals or private entities, etc. So you have to read all the things and you have to sign it on here with the date and place. So we have to print this document in the letterhead of your organizations. After that you have to sign it on here with the date and place. So this is the organization letterhead. So I verified the document from the head of the institute, and then just scan the document and convert it into the PDF. Then you have to upload it on here. Then click on the submit button. After pressing that, you can see your registration has been completed, but it was not verified from the Survey of India. So the Survey of India call or mail to your organization, institute head like registrar or VC for the verification that you are present in this organization. Okay, after they approve, you can get a mail from the Survey of India portal. So then you can get the mail like this: the profile acceptance on online map portal Survey of India. So dear user, congratulations, your registration on the online map portal has been accepted and your profile is now activated. Now you can proceed to access the online map portal. Then go to your account and log in by using your username and password. So then you can download any data like the Toposheet or the village boundary map or etc. data. From here you can see your account. Here you can see your account and you can download any of the data. It takes about 2 to 3 days for the verification. For my case it was verified in the next day. So be patient and register your ID in the Survey of India portal for downloading the zip files and the Toposheet. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video finds you well. See you in the next.